How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you can try to press the volume up button on your iPhone and see if that fixes your issue. Next, open settings on your device and then tap on the sound and haptics option, and further go ahead and slide the ringer and alert slider to its fullest, and also swipe down from the top right of your screen and increase the media volume. The next fix is to clean the speaker grill, so you can use a soft, dry brush and gently brush the bottom speaker grill and also clean the airpiece speaker near the front camera. Make sure to blow gently and not pressured air. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application again and tap on accessibility and then tap on the audio and visual option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for phone noise cancellation. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then try to remove the phone case and the screen protector, as sometimes removing the phone case and cleaning the edges and adjusting the screen protectors helps in fixing this issue. Also, if you are connected to Bluetooth, then go ahead and disable Bluetooth for the time being, as your iPhone may be connected to a speaker, car, or earbuds, leading you to not listening any sound. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Once reset is complete, see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then also make sure that in general again tap on software update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as audio bugs are often fixed in updates. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then you can try to check the audio balance. So in settings again, tap on the accessibility option and then on audio visual. Here, set the balance slider to the center and not left or right. Also, you can try to enable low power mode, and as low power mode can reduce speaker performance, and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then it might be the hardware issue, so you can try to take your iPhone to Apple Store Repair and ask them to further navigate the issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone speaker too low. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.